How can you be awake while you sleep? What does it mean to hold awake attention inside the night stories? And what do ancient yogis and modern sleep scientists agree on about the possibility? Welcome to Beyond the Mind. Tonight we follow two maps that point to the same terrain, an ancient map of dream practice, often called dream yoga, and a modern map of REM sleep, memory consolidation, and attention. My aim is practical. I will tell the story, unpack the science with care, and give you a detailed, week-long protocol you can try. We'll include concrete daily habits, nightly rituals, troubleshooting tips, and short guided practices so you can experiment safely and slowly. Before we begin, take one slow breath with me. Breathe in. Hold for a moment. Exhale. Let the voice be a guide, not a command. Keep a small notebook by your bedside. Tonight we begin. A brief story to frame our work. A student sits before a teacher in a dim room. A single lamp burns. The teacher looks at the student and says, "If you can be awake in sleep, the waking world loosens its hold. You will see the dream as a dream and the self as mirror." The student laughs. "How can one be awake while asleep?" The teacher smiles and writes 3 instructions on a scrap of paper. Remember your nights. Ask, "Am I dreaming?" During the day, and before sleep hold a simple, clear intention like a lamp held close. This is the quiet logic of dream yoga as preserved in Tibetan and older Indian lineages. Repeated, disciplined attention directed toward dreaming. Across centuries, teachers taught that awareness can be trained so that it appears even during the night. The techniques differ by lineage and teacher, but the underlying thread is the cultivation of meta-awareness, the habit of knowing that you are aware, extended into nocturnal consciousness. Now the modern map. Contemporary sleep science locates vivid dreaming primarily in REM sleep, the stage that recurs cyclically across the night, about every 90 minutes, and expands in duration as the night progresses. REM typically accounts for roughly 20 to 25% of total sleep in adults, and that late-night REM is often where the most elaborate, narrative dreams occur. Sleep researchers also emphasize sleep's role in memory consolidation. Experiences from the day are replayed, reorganized, and stabilized during sleep. Foundational reviews by researchers such as Rash and Bourne summarize how sleep supports these memory processes. Lucid dreaming, the subjective recognition this is a dream while the dream continues, is measurable and trainable. In the 1970s and 1980s, Stephen LaBerge and colleagues developed rigorous lab methods demonstrating that lucid dreamers can signal their lucidity with predetermined eye movement patterns during REM, producing clear markers in polysomnographic recordings. Subsequent research shows that certain induction methods, mnemonic approaches, wake-back-to-bed routines, and targeted pre-sleep intention increase lucid dream frequency in many people. Contemporary reviews and induction studies by LaBerge, Stumbries, and others provide evidence for these techniques and discuss their relative effectiveness. Notice the overlap, the ancient instruction to cultivate waking attention inside sleep and the modern finding that we can, under certain conditions, intentionally increase conscious access inside REM. That overlap is not proof of metaphysical claims, it is a pragmatic bridge. We can treat dream yoga as a lineage of attention training and lucid dream research as an empirical toolkit. Together they suggest concrete steps you can try. Before the protocol, 3 guiding principles. Why these steps are sensible from a scientific perspective. REM targeting, WBTB and pre-sleep intention bias the timing and salience of conscious access toward later REM periods when dreams are more vivid. REM episodes lengthen toward morning. Memory consolidation, morning journaling strengthens dream memory by exercising recall neural circuits. Sleep replays and reorganizes experiences. rehearsal before and after sleep biases consolidation toward the practiced material. Perspective memory and mild, repeating an intention acts like perspective memory training. LeBurge's mild technique instructs rehearsal of intention while imagining returning to a remembered dream. This strengthens retrieval cues. Cue salience. Daytime reality checks create salient mental habits that can transfer into the dream environment as triggers for lucidity. Expanded guided micro-practices you can use in audio form. A 5-minute midday meta-awareness practice. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Breathe gently. For 5 minutes, alternate 2 minutes of focused breath attention with 1 minute of open awareness noticing sounds and body sensations. At the end, perform a reality check and silently say your intention phrase. B. 2-minute extended pre-sleep visualization. Lie down. Breathe slowly for 4 cycles. Visualize a small lamp at the center of awareness. On each inhale, imagine it expanding. On each exhale, imagine the light settling into the heart center. After 4 cycles, say your intention phrase 3 times and let the image soften. C. 1-minute morning stabilization for recall. On waking, remain motionless. Take 1 slow breath. With eyes closed, say aloud the words dream and recall. Wait 10 seconds. Note any image. Write immediately. Common obstacles and how to handle them, expanded guidance. Poor recall across days. Practical tweaks, increase morning stillness, dim phone screens and avoid immediate checking. Try a small glass of water to help alertness. Practice a single minute of breath anchoring before recall. Psychological note, recall often increases with non-judgmental persistence. Excessive daytime tiredness after WBTB. Reduce WBTB frequency or shorten wake time to 10 to 15 minutes. Prioritize total sleep. If daytime functioning suffers, stop WBTB for a week and return to option A. Rigid or rote reality checks. Make checks meaningful. Pause for a breath, fully inspect, and connect the check to emotion or an intention phrase. Vary checks to keep habit fresh. Intense emotional content in dreams. Use stabilization practices and avoid forcing lucidity. If distress persists, pause induction and seek guidance from a qualified teacher or therapist experienced in dream work. Extended examples and vignettes, how practitioners report progress. Example A, a busy teacher begins with option A. After 3 nights of journaling and daily reality checks, she notices the same motif, an old house, and 3 dreams. On the 4th week, during a lunchtime reality check, she pauses longer and truly inspects her hands. That habit carries into a dream where she realizes she's flipping through the house. She rubs her hands together and stays lucid for a few calm minutes to practice breathing and visual change. Example B, a creative musician uses WBTB once midweek and reports a vivid lucidity where he rehearsed a passage in a dream and woke with a new musical phrase. He credits both the rehearsal intention and the later REM timing. Advanced techniques to explore cautiously. Wild, wake-initiated lucid dreaming, entering dreams directly from hypnagogia. This requires calm, relaxed attention and can increase risk of sleep paralysis for some people. Approach only if comfortable with hypnagogic states and preferably with guidance. Audio cue devices. Some tools detect REM and present gentle cues to prompt lucidity. Evidence is mixed. Use reputable devices with low volumes and monitor effects on sleep quality. Dream incubation. Set a creative or problem focus before sleep. This biases consolidation and recombination during sleep and can yield targeted dream content. Practical tracking templates. Simple, one-line metrics. Each morning note. Date, Dream recall count 0/1/2 plus mood on waking 1, 5 primary dream sign noticed. Short phrase WBTB performed, yes/no notes, 1 line. Sample journal entries you can copy. Date, February 16th, 2026. Night, 4. Recall count, 2. Dream headline, corridor of changing doors, text shifted. Mood on waking, 3 out of 5. Notes, noticed odd text 3 times. Performed 6 reality checks yesterday. Seed lamp felt calming. Why small data matters. This practice is an experiment in attention. Tiny daily recordings are meaningful. They let you detect patterns, identify dream signs, and refine induction choices. Over weeks you may observe increases in recall frequency, more frequent dream signs, and occasionally lucidity. Ethics, safety, and medical cautions. Please attend carefully. If you have a history of bipolar disorder, psychosis, unstable sleep, or severe trauma, consult a clinician before attempting frequent WBTB or intense dream induction practices. Do not use dream induction as a substitute for medical treatment for sleep disorders such as sleep apnea or narcolepsy. Seek professional evaluation if you suspect these conditions. If lucid dream content becomes persistently distressing, pause induction and seek support from a qualified mental health or contemplative teacher. A longer guided pre-sleep script you can use tonight, approximately 4 minutes, speak slowly and allow silence between lines. Lie comfortably, supported. Close your eyes. Bring attention to the soft rise and fall of the breath. Allow each breath to be a little slower than usual. Imagine a small lamp at the center of your awareness, soft and steady. With each inhale, see the lamp's light warming. With each exhale, feel the warmth settling into your chest. Silently say your intention phrase now. Tonight I will know I am dreaming. Repeat it once more on the next inhale. Picture a single object you might see in a dream, a door, a corridor, a small river. Let the lamp's light rest on that image and let it soften. If thoughts come, name them briefly, thinking, and return to the breath. On the next exhale, let go and rest. Allow sleep to come naturally. A quick troubleshooting checklist if nothing changes after 2 weeks. Have you kept the journal consistently? If not, recommit for another week. Are reality checks earnest and varied? If wrote, refresh them. Are you prioritizing sleep quantity? If not, reduce WBTB attempts. Consider shortening wake time during WBTB to 10 to 15 minutes if fatigue arises. If recall remains 0, reduce induction intensity and continue with gentle morning recall. Occasionally vivid non-dream imagery can be an early marker. Closing synthesis. Both dream yoga and lucid dream research point to an encouraging insight. Attention can be trained across the sleep-wake boundary. The ancient instruction, cultivate waking presence so it carries into sleep, finds a modern neighbor in methods that shape memory, timing, and prospective memory cues. The week protocol offered here is a pragmatic experiment: short habits during the day, simple nightly rituals, and cautious run timing. It is not magic. It is skill training applied with curiosity. If you try this week, be kind to yourself. Share one small finding in the comments, a dream sign, a surprising recall, or whether the seed lamp visualization felt helpful. Your single data point matters to our small learning community. If this episode resonated, please subscribe to Beyond the Mind for more explorations where ancient practice meets contemporary science. Like this video if you found the protocol useful, and comment with one small result after your week. Thank you for watching. Sleep gently, attend kindly, and return to your dreams with curiosity. Further reading and resources. Namkai Norbu, Dream Yoga and the Practice of Natural Light. Stephen LaBerge, Exploring the World of Lucid Dreaming. Rash, B. and Bourne, J. 2013, About Sleep's Role in Memory, Nature Reviews Neuroscience. Stumbries, LaBerge, and colleagues, Reviews and Induction Technique Meta-Analyses, search for Stumbries Lucid Dream Induction Review. A final breath together. Inhale. Exhale. Place your journal where you can reach it without turning on the light. Good night.